Question 1. Site of action of ADH is. Answer D. Collecting duct. Question 2. The storage form of iron in the human body is. Answer A. Ferritin. Question 3. A patient with glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency if treated with dapsone will develop. Answer A. Hemolytic anemia. Question 4. Hydroxycobalamin is used as an antidote. Answer A. Cyanide. Question 5. An adverse effect of oral iron therapy is. Answer D. Constipation. Question 6. Which drug does not influence leukopoiesis? Answer C. Doxorubicin. Question 7. A decrease in WBC count indicates. Answer C. Bone marrow depression. Question 8. The medicine which is used to stop gastrointestinal bleeding is. Answer D. Pitressin. Question 9. Indicate the drug which increases absorption of iron from intestine. Answer C. Ascorbic acid. Question 10. Pernicious anemia is developed due to deficiency of. Answer B. Vitamin B12. Question 11. A parenteral anticoagulant drug is. Answer D. Heparin. Question 12. Which of the following drugs possesses antiplatelet effects? Answer D. Clopidogrel. Question 13. Aspirin prolongs bleeding time by inhibiting the synthesis of. Answer D. Thromboxane A2 in platelet. Question 14. Blood clotting can be prevented by. Answer C. Sodium citrate. Question 15. Route of administration for heparin and warfarin. Answer A. IV and oral. Question 16. Which is not a parenteral iron preparation? Answer B. Iron maltose. Question 17. Heparin acts via activation of. Answer A. Antithrombin 3. Question 18. Apixaban is a glycoprotein. Answer B. Antagonist at IIB-IIIA. Question 19. Bleeding due to displacement of warfarin from protein binding sites is a type of drug interaction. Answer A. Anticoagulant. Question 20. Which of the following is heparin antagonist? Answer B. Protamine sulfate. Question 21. Anticoagulant of choice in pregnancy. Answer A. Heparin. Question bisphytomenadione is. Answer B. Vitamin K. Question 23. Common adverse effect of thrombolytics. Answer A. Bleeding. Question 24. Which of the following is a plasminogen activator? Answer C. Streptokinase. Question 25. Thromboxane A2 is released mainly by. Answer D. Platelets. Question 26. Heparin prevents blood coagulation by. Answer A. Inhibiting thrombin-catalyzed conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. Question 27. Vitamin K is associated with. Answer D. Blood clotting. Question 28. Drug that acts by lowering the plasma LDL level. Answer B. Probucol. Question 29. Methotrexate should be given with which of the following to decrease its side effects? Answer D. Folinic acid. Question 30. An example of rapidly acting anticoagulant. Answer D. Heparin. Question 31. Warfarin displaced from site 1 of human serum albumin by. Answer B. Phenylbutazone. Question 32. An antidote for warfarin toxicity overdose. Answer D. Vitamin K. Question 33. In dengue fever, the count of the following drops drastically. Answer C. Platelets. Question 34. Drug warfarin is used in disease. Answer B. Thrombosis. Question 35 आपके लिए है, क्यों warfarin is absolutely contraindicated in A. First trimester of pregnancy. B. Third trimester of pregnancy. C. During breastfeeding. D. None of these. इसका आंसर आप अपना स्कोर कमेंट बॉक्स में दे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.